This is TheHelpscreen, and this is how to fix Tim Hortons app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, today I'm gonna provide you three solution in order for you to fix the issue on your Tim Horton app. So for the first one is go to your Google Play Store, and then over here just search for the Tim Hortons, and guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when Tim Hortons have an update, you should be able to update it over here at the Google Play Store. And now for the second solution, guys, is just go to your settings on your device and then go to the apps. And then over here, just try to find the Tim Horton application. And guys, once you find it, just tap on it. And then from here, go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And guys, from there, you should be able to fix your Tim Hortons application. And now, if the solutions I provided doesn't work, for the third solution, just try reinstalling the application on your device. So first, uninstall Tim Hortons on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue in your Tim Hortons app, and you should be able to have a working application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!